Special homemade bread. To start with, we need our flour, we need our salt, we need our nutmeg, our egg, and then we need yeast, and also we need butter, and then sugar to start with. To start with, you have to make our flour. So 2 teaspoons of sugar will do, a little bit, making 3. So add our yeast. You know, this is a special kind of bread. It's a special homemade bread. Then we stir. So after stirring, cover it. Now it's time to make our flour. We add our salt and then the nutmeg. We add our sugar. You stir until they mix completely. You add another sugar to taste. So now we're about to mix the whole thing. We start with the egg. Add our yeast mixture to the egg. And then we pour it on the flour. We add our butter. And then we mix them together. Using your hands will make it very easier and fast. And it will help you determine the smoothness of it. So this is homemade special bread. So it can be used for any beverage, tea, porridge, like. It's a very special bread. So follow the process and make yours at home. So we continue to mix it. It has to be completely mixed. You pour small to it, and then we continue to mix. Using your hands will make it very easier, and it will help you determine the smoothness of it. So finally we are done with the flour. Everything is now mixed up completely. We cover it, we leave it for about 25 minutes. We open up and it's now ready for use. With the yeast added, it will help increase in size. So we covered it for about 25 minutes and then we are back on it again. If you have a chopping board or any flat surface, you can use it. Before you use it, you have to put a little bit of flour to avoid it sticking on the board. Now you continue to cut them into the size that you want for baking. So depending on the type of size that you want, then you cut with your hand. This will make it very easy and faster to complete it. So you follow this special and unique process to get your special bread done. So I know you can get about 4 from that. It has been divided into about 4. And the last one over there, making it 5. So I think with this small flour mixture, you can get about 5 over special bread from it. So after baking it, you can see a completely different bread altogether, and it tastes everything. So you continue following the process. Your pan for baking, you put each in one pan. Before you put in, you have to grease it with oil or butter to prevent it from sticking after baking. So with this, each is gonna get a pan. After putting them in, it's now ready for oven. So you can get your traditional oven, your electric oven, your gas oven, and then you start baking. So for some minutes, we are done with the special bread. Yummy, 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 yummy. Delicious. Wow. Very special bread. Yummy. So I'm going to cut just a small portion of it to let you know how it really looks on the inside. Yummy. Nice. Wow.